Hi, my name's Erica with Flock Free, and today we're going to go over the Flock Free InvisiDEER concentrate. It's a UV repellent optimizer. Inside the box, you will find a 4-ounce container of the Flock Free InvisiDEER, and you'll also find a visual disc that acts as a secondary visual deterrent. To mix, you're going to use ½ an ounce to gallon. This 4-ounce concentrate makes up to 8 gallons. To mix, we're going to fill our sprayer with 1 gallon of water with ½ an ounce. You can use any sprayer or backpack blower, but here we have a sprayer. Now we're going to add ½ an ounce to the gallon of water. Make sure to shake well as the water activates the concentrate. Now we're going to pressurize the pump. Deer see UV as a threat because predator fur and human clothing contain UV, so the InvisiDEER acts as a visual cue to keep deer away. InvisiDEER doesn't damage or change the color of leaves or turf, so feel free to spray InvisiDEER on anything you want the deer to stay away from. And then feel free to add the visual disc to help enhance the UV protection. The Flock Free InvisiDEER comes in a 4-ounce concentrate and in a R2U, which is a ready-to-use spray container.